So make your hands look very beautiful, get rid of dryness, get rid of wrinkles, remove old ends, get them brighter, get them lighter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you're so welcome. Consider subscribing, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So in this channel, I share beauty tips and health tips that will help to make your skin to look the best, make your skin to glow beautifully, removing skin disorders, brightening a dull skin, making sure you are looking younger all the time. So this particular one is mainly on anti-aging. Most people have wrinkles on their hands, and some people have a dark hands. Their body is different from their hands. Okay, so if you want to brighten your hands or you want to make them soft and beautiful, this remedy will help you greatly. With few ingredients you can find mainly in your kitchen, you can get full results. So without wasting time, let me tell you the ingredients to make use of, and as well as the way to make use of it, how to mix them together, applying it for full results. So the first ingredient you have to make use of is rice powder. So rice powder or rice flour can be gotten from supermarket. You can actually make it yourself. Okay, that one is more organic. So use your rice grain at home. Just blend it until it turns in a powdered form. Rice powder is full of anti-aging properties. It will help to firm up the skin, revive that area, scrub out dead skin cells. It's very exfoliating as well. When you scrub it out, it will reveal a more beautiful and bright skin. All those dead skin cells will fall out, and your skin will look younger and more youthful. It helps greatly to make you achieve a soft looking hands. Anywhere you apply it, it's going to look so beautiful. Get your rice powder, and the next ingredient to get is this turmeric powder. Okay, many of us knows turmeric is easily available. You can get it from supermarket as well, local stores, or your local market. So turmeric is full of powerful antioxidant that will help to make sure you are looking your best, glowing your skin, keeping your skin looking more youthful. It helps to fight free radical damage, okay, like supporting your rice powder, making it to be more active. So when you apply it, it's going to brighten your hands. For those that have dark hands, flaky hands, it will help you greatly. So get your turmeric and you never regret it. So another one to get is your citric acid. Get either lemon or orange. So here is orange, local orange. So orange is full of vitamin C. It's very brightening. That will help to fade away those dark patches, remove all those old looking hands. Also adding it into this treatment will help to keep your skin glowing beautifully. So it's a must have. Just get orange or lemon juice. First, get a mixing bowl. Transfer the quantity of rice. That will be enough. Transfer 2 tablespoons of rice powder into the bowl. Then after that, you get turmeric. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add it into the bowl. So after that, squeeze in some orange. Okay, just get orange. Cut it open. Squeeze in about 2 tablespoons of your orange juice or lemon juice. Add it into the bowl. Before adding the last one, mix them together. Mix the 3 ingredients together: the rice powder, turmeric, and the orange juice. Mix them until they start looking uniform. Then after that, you get your rose water. So in case you have been following me, you will notice that I've been making use of rose water a lot, and that is because it's very moisturizing, it's very hydrating. It's going to keep your hands looking soft and beautiful, unifying your complexion, making your hands to be looking very attractive. So add little by little until the treatment forms a thick paste. If your remedy is already watery, please go ahead and add rice powder to thicken it a little, okay, before adding your rose water, because you don't need the treatment to be watery and you don't also need it to be very thick. So after mixing everything together, the 4 ingredients, it's time to apply it on your beautiful hands. If your mission is to get rid of flaky hands, dry hands, this remedy is for you. If your mission is to remove wrinkles and make them looking younger, this remedy is for you. If your mission is also to brighten a dark hands, to unify it, making it to look even, this remedy is simply for you. So wash those areas, wash your hands thoroughly, then you have to apply it on them. Just apply it. Make sure they are covered. After that, help it by scrubbing it to exfoliate more. After scrubbing it, leave this remedy on your hands for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, use a lukewarm water to wash it off. So you will notice instant results, like your hands will be looking softer, and that is because it's well exfoliated. So if you practice this like every day, you will get full results. You'll be noticing that your hands will be looking so beautifully, so beautiful. With consistency, you will not have those wrinkles. Your hands will look softer and more beautiful. You can as well apply this remedy on your feet. Okay, it's going to take away those wrinkles with consistent use. Apply this treatment to get instant soft hands. Apply this treatment to get instant brighter skin. So this is just perfect, and with consistent use, like I said earlier, you will not have those wrinkles anymore. Go ahead and make your hands looking attractive, younger, and more beautiful. Store the remaining in the refrigerator to make use of it the next time. Okay, use this treatment every day, like I said, and you obtain full results. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.